Wait, what are you doing here? Man, that was a tough battle. Oh, the guy dropped something. Oh, wowzers! It's a coffee. Wow, and I gained so much XP. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like to battle, if you like to kick asses, if you like to punch other people, if you like to kill other people, we got something very cool for you. A beat battle with a lot of cool prizes. So we are doing a beat battle for OCS 45. If you want to get some amazing prizes, you have to join the giveaway. For the next 2 weeks, the plugin is gonna be free for everyone. All you gotta do is to go to the link in the description, open the website and just hit download now. Once you download it, you gotta go make a beat with the plugin. All you have to do is just like use the plugin in your project. You don't have to put the plugin on every track. Then after you make a beat, we're looking for beats, ideally, like lo-fi beats, hip-hop beats. You make a beat, you go to the Discord server, there's a link here and here. You go to the Discord server, there's a category called contests, and then we have a channel called beat battle. You go here, you post an MP3 of the beat. The length of the beat, ideally like 1 minute. It doesn't have to be long. Does size matter? Yes. But if you make it long, that's fine too. Size does not matter. But does it? Yeah, so after that, there's gonna be a day called 15th of March, the end of the giveaway. On the top of the website, there's a counter. So after 15th, we're gonna spend some time listening to all the submissions, and we're gonna pick the best submissions, the best beats, the most vibey, the most groovy, the most sick, and the most cool. And we're gonna assign prizes. So the plugin is free for everyone, but after 2 weeks, after the giveaway is over, you're not gonna be able to use the plugin anymore. It's like a trial version only for the beat battle. But the 3 people who win are gonna keep the plugin. So first place prizes, there's a plugin. There's a Native Instruments Complete Control 32. Very beautiful, elegant, slick, slim, and just so good. Along with this, Sounds and Instruments by Native Instruments are included in this. AKAI Professional, a controller with like a lot of pads. Cool for playing beats. Along with this, MPC Beats Software. And if you want to get some sweet sounds, there's a $100 gift card to be used at oversample.us. So that's a lot of stuff for the first person. And the next person also wins a plugin, also wins a controller. Super elegant, super beautiful, slim, slick, sexy. Sounds and Instruments and a oversampled gift card. Third place gets a plugin and gets a gift card. So even if you end up on last place, there are pretty cool prizes here. So go to the description, join the giveaway, use OCS as much as you want, make some sick beats, send over, and let's just battle, you know? I'm just gonna take the sword and we're just gonna battle. I'm gonna make a beat also in like a couple of days because I'm releasing a lo-fi pack. So I think that's gonna be a cool idea to just use the pack to make a lo-fi beat along with the plugin for a beat battle. I'm not gonna join, or am I? I could actually win these prizes. That's it, basically. Yeah, cool.